Guten Morgen, when we say Guten Morgen when we meet in the morning. Yeah. Now it is after 4 o'clock. Yeah. We can say Guten Abend. Yeah. What can we say? Guten Abend. Yeah. Guten Abend. Guten Abend.
Guten Abend.
And we have learned to say, we have learned how to introduce ourselves. Yeah. Mein Name ist. Yeah. What are we doing there? We are introducing ourselves. That is, mein Name ist, ich komme aus. Yeah. Ich komme aus. And then, yeah, ich wohne. So here, when we are saying mein Name ist, ich komme aus, ich wohne, ich is the subject in the sentence. So this subject in the grammar language, what do we say? Which person is that? First person. First person singular. Yeah, first person singular. And when we are saying wie ist dein Name, yeah, wie ist dein Name, woher kommst du, yeah, wo wohnst du, what is that du? You. That is again subject in the sentence. And which person is that? Second person singular. Second person singular. Woher kommst du, wo wohnst du, yeah, second person singular. So when the subject is changing, ich to du, what is happening to the verb? What is verb in the sentence ich komme aus? Komme. No? E ending we have to always say komme, heiße, yeah, arbeite. So when the subject is ich, what is happening to the verb? Ends with. So the ending, yeah, is ich komme and ich wohne. What is the ending? Yeah, and then ich arbeite and ich studiere. So it is e ending. Whenever the subject is ich, the ending is e. So ich, first person singular, and the verb ends with e. Yeah, and when it is du, what is the verb ending? St. No? St is the ending. Yeah. So wo wohnst du? If you want to ask where the person is working, what would you say? Wo arbeitest. Yeah. Here we have an extra e because arbeit, then we cannot say arbeitst. So when there is a t ending, then that e comes for the yeah, easy pronunciation. Arbeitest. Wo arbeitest du? Studieren. Where are you studying? How would you say? Wo studierst. Wo studierst. St we have to add. No? Wo studierst du. So if it is du, we are adding st, yeah, to the verb. So the verbs, the root form is, yeah, komm, and then if it is ich, you say ich komme, and if it is du, then you say du kommst. So the root form, and then you are adding the ending depending on the subject. Yeah, verb has to comply with the subject, as in other languages, isn't it? Whether it is English or our regional mother tongues and regional languages, verb has to always comply with the subject. Yeah, he comes, I come. In Hindi, any language, verb has to comply with the subject. So that also applies to German language. Yeah. So then we have learnt ich, then ja, ich spreche. Welche Sprachen sprichst du? Ja, welche Sprachen sprichst du? Then ich trinke. Ja, okay. Und was trinkst du? Ich trinke. Du? Ich trinke. Du trinkst. Isn't it? Is gerne a verb? No, no. Was trinkst du? What do you drink or what are you drinking? Was trinkst du gerne? What do you drink as a preference or with pleasure? So that gern says you prefer to drink it. But if you are just asking a simple question, what are you drinking now? Was trinkst du? Yeah. So gerne is just a particle word. Yeah. Was trinkst du? So ich trinke, du trinkst. Yeah. Ich spreche, du sprichst. Yeah. And then that is for first person and second person. And yeah, last class we have learnt das ist Ashwin und das ist Lalita. Yeah. Er. So what does er mean? He. What does sie mean? She. So what is he and she? Which person? Third person. So we have first person singular, second person singular, and er and sie. What is it? Third person singular. Yeah. Today we are doing all singular forms. First person singular, second person singular, third person singular. So what is happening to the verb when we have third person singular? T and do. Er. You tell me the verbs. Er. Kommt. Sie wohnt. Ja. Und er spricht. Sie trinkt. Yeah. So when we have third person singular, it is, what is the endung? T endung. We have T endung. So er, sie, S is it. Yeah. Er. Yeah. Sie. How do we pronounce it? You say once. Ich. Du. Er. Sie. S. Yeah. First person singular, second person singular, and third person singular. Okay. So then we have learnt to ask about a third person also. No? Second person, wie heißt du? If it is third person, wie heißt er? So Lalita, wie heißt er?
Heißt Anshul.
Sehr gut. Er heißt Anshul. Ja? Wie heißt sie?
Sie heißt Lalita.
Lalita. Sehr gut. Ja? Sie heißt Lalita, er heißt Anshul. Anshul, woher kommst du?
Ich komme aus Uttar Pradesh.
Aus Uttar Pradesh. Ja? So, woher kommt Anshul? Er kommt aus Uttar Pradesh. Ja? Und wo wohnst du, Lalita?
Ich wohne in Chennai.
Ja. Wo wohnt Lalita? Sie wohnt in Chennai. Ja? Sie wohnt in Chennai. Ja. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißt du? Wie ist dein Name?
Mein Name ist Shivam.
Shivam. Ja? Welche Sprachen sprichst du, Shivam?
Ich spreche Hindi, Englisch und Spanisch.
Sehr gut. Ja? So, welche Sprachen spricht Shivam? Er spricht Hindi, Englisch und Spanisch. Ja? Und auch ein bisschen Deutsch. Ne? Er spricht. Ja? Sprachen. What is Sprachen? Languages. Sprache, Singular. Ja? Sprache, Singular. Ja? Und Sprachen, Plural. Sprachen. Ja? And why have we written a capital letter here? All the nouns have to be written in capital letter. Yeah? Okay. So, was trinken Sie gerne? Wie heißt du?
Ich heiße Akash.
Akash. Was trinkst du gerne, Akash?
Ich trinke Wasser.
Ich trinke, ne? Wasser. Ja? Okay. So, was trinkt Akash gerne? Er trinkt Wasser gerne. Ja? Ich trinke. Was trinkst du? Er trinkt. Ja? Was trinkst du? Ich trinke und er trinkt. Okay? So, first person singular. Ich, er und du. Ich komme. Ich wohne. Ich. Say the words once. Ich komme. Ich wohne. Ich studiere. Ich arbeite. Ich trinke. Second person singular. Du. Du kommst. Du wohnst. Du studierst. Du arbeitest. Du trinkst. Third person singular. Er. Tendu. Er heißt. Er kommt. Er wohnt. Sie studiert. Sie arbeitet. Sie trinkt. When it is arbeitet, we have this extra A, no? Arbeitet. Yeah, du arbeitest. Er arbeitet. Sie arbeitet. Yeah? Okay. So, in Indian languages, yeah, how many of you speak Hindi? Yeah, most of you, you know, even if you don't speak, you have learnt in school. So when we have a second person, yeah, okay, first person singular, how many words are there for first person singular? Two. What is two? Which ones? Do we have difference? Masculine, when it is ich in German, yeah, I in English, what is it in Hindi? Is there a difference between genders? No. Yeah? So gender difference doesn't come when it is first person. Yeah? When it is first person, no gender difference. So only one form. And second person, yeah, second person singular, how many forms are there? What is the first one? Du. That is in German. Yeah. So in Hindi, what is the second person singular? Tum. Yeah. Is that only form? Aap. Yeah. You have tum and aap. So you have two forms. What is the difference? One is, yeah. Yeah. So you have tum and aap. So that is an important point to remember. In India, it is in Indian languages, yeah, Indian regional languages, in Tamil and all other languages also we have second person singular, two forms. One is with respect, yeah. The other one is not disrespect, closeness or the age difference, yeah, that. So in German also we have two forms for second person. One is informal, what we have learnt, that is du. Yeah. Another one, which is a formal form, which is sie. Yeah. But in German, the difference is not whether you have respect for the other person or not. It is whether you have a personal relationship or a professional relationship. Yeah. So even if it is your grandfather, you will say do. It doesn't mean you don't respect him. It means you have a personal relationship with him. Yeah. So grandmother, grandfather, or father, mother, you would say do. Yeah. If it is a person with whom you have a professional relationship, yeah, or not close friendship. If it's a neighbor you just came to know, or colleague, yeah, or somebody who comes to work for you, or you go for work someone, yeah. So work with for someone, or somebody who serves you at a restaurant. It is a professional relationship. So you would say Sie, unless it is children. So du is for Familie, yeah, Familie, family, und Freunde. What is Freunde? Friends. And Kinder. Yeah, Kinder, children. Huh? What is KG full form? Kindergarten. That's a German word, no? Garden of children. Kindergarten. So Kinder is children. So du you would use in German for Familie, Freunde, und Kinder. Yeah, and Sie other than, yeah, Kollegen, and who are not in these three groups. Yeah, formal. Du ist for Sie. Yeah, Entschuldigung. Sie is for formal. Yeah, it doesn't mean when you say du, it doesn't mean you don't respect. That means you have close friendship with them, or they belong to your family, or they are much younger to you, or your students. Yeah, you go to a college, even if it is a new student, you all belong to the same group, so there is no formality there. Yeah, so then you would say do, even if you have met another student like you for the first time also, you could say do. So when we have subject different, what changes? Verb endung has to change. Yeah. So we, and another thing with the Sie we have to remember, this is the only personal pronoun which has to be written in capital letter wherever it comes in the sentence. In English, what do we write everywhere capital? I. But in German, ich is small letter if it is not coming in the beginning. Yeah, beginning of a sentence, all letters capital letters. Beginning of a sentence and nouns, yeah, all nouns capital letters. Beginning of a sentence capital letter, and then this Sie, the formal form of du, yeah, that has to be written in capital letter. Yeah, wherever it comes. What is the other Sie we learnt?
She.
She. Yeah. So that will be written with the small if it is not in the beginning of a sentence, and it will have T endung. It will have T endung, and this Sie what endung? An. Yeah. An endung. So that's how we can differentiate. If you see a written script, you know it is capital letter. But even if you don't see the written thing, if you are talking, wie heißen Sie? Yeah, und wie heißt sie? What is wie heißt sie? Yeah, how is she called? Woher kommt sie? But if you say woher kommen sie, then you know the question is directed at you.
And we can mean they also, right?
Yes, but yeah, today we are doing only singular. Yeah, we'll go to plural in the coming classes. They is plural, no? Das lernen wir später. So wie heißen Sie? Woher kommen Sie? Yeah. Say the questions with me. Wie heißen Sie?
Wie heißen Sie?
Woher kommen Sie?
Woher kommen Sie?
wohnen Sie?
Wo wohnen Sie?
Wo arbeiten Sie?
Wo arbeiten Sie?
Wo studieren Sie?
Wo studieren Sie?
Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie?
Welche Sprache sprechen Sie?
Was trinken Sie gern?
Was trinken Sie gern?
Yeah. So, what is to be noted here? That all the verbs are ending with en. Yeah. This studieren, trinken. Yeah. All the verbs are ending with en. So that is the root. This is called root form of verbs. Yeah. We always take this form as the root form. Yeah. And then com is the root of that root form. This is the infinitive form. This is called infinitive form. And then this is the root, com. And then ich komme, du kommst, yeah, and sie kommen. And then this is second person, yeah, and then er kommt, third person. For first person, this is for second person, this is for third person. Yeah, all the verbs. Okay, so it is called verb conjugation. No? How do we conjugate the verb? When the subject changes. Verb conjugation depends on the subject of the sentence. We'll go to the numbers. Yeah, we'll learn numbers, how to say in German. So, numbers are called die Zahlen. Yeah, say the word Zahlen.
Zahlen.
Numbers. Yeah, die Zahl, singular is die Zahl. Zahl is singular, the number. Zahlen, numbers. Yeah, Zahlen, numbers. Die Zahlen. Yeah. Say the numbers after me. Null,
Null.
eins,
Eins.
zwei,
Zwei.
drei,
Drei.
vier,
Vier.
fünf,
Fünf.
sechs,
Sechs.
sieben,
Sieben.
acht,
Acht.
neun,
Neun.
zehn,
Zehn.
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 So if you have this letter, the pronunciation has to be like this. Yeah, like we say tsunami, no? Tsunami. How do we say that? Like that. Zehn.
Zehn.
Yeah, and elf,
Elf.
12,
Zwölf.
12,
Zwölf.
elf,
Elf.
10,
Zehn.
9,
Neun.
8,
Acht.
7,
Sieben.
6,
Sechs.
5,
Fünf.
4,
Vier.
3,
Drei.
2,
Zwei.
1,
Eins.
0.
Null.
Null.
Yeah. So S, how are we pronouncing S? Z. Z, no? We are pronouncing like Z. Z, V hyphen Z, isn't it? Yeah, woher kommt Z? So it is sechs and sieben when it is in the beginning. But if it is at the end of a word, then it is soft. Eins. Yeah. If it is at the end, then it is soft. Eins. But if it is in the beginning, Z, sechs, sieben. Yeah. Okay. So when we learn numbers, we should know where we could use it, isn't it? Yeah. So say the question. Wie ist deine Telefonnummer?
Wie ist deine Telefonnummer?
Meine Telefonnummer
Meine Telefonnummer
ist.
Ist.
Yeah. So Telefonnummer is a noun. So of course we'll write it with the
Capital.
capital letter. Yeah. Deine Telefonnummer, meine
Meine
Telefonnummer. Yeah. Deine. Du is what? You. Deine,
Your.
your. Ich is
I.
I. Meine,
My.
My.
yeah. So anywhere you see this A on the E and I, yeah, it is always I, like I, yeah. EI combination. You see that? It is always eins. No? This is eins. This is zwei. This is drei. But this one I, no? So vier. Yeah? And yeah, this one is, the letter is V. We say it as fur, most of the places. So this one, EI is I. Yeah, say that eins,
Eins,
zwei,
Zwei,
drei.
drei.
But when we have this one, Sie, wie heißen Sie? Wie heißt, woher kommt Sie? Sieben. So IE, if we have IE, it is longest A, no? Long E. E, sieben. Wie, woher kommt Sie? Yeah? Wie heißen Sie? Okay? So sehr gut. Ask each other. You have the questions. Ask each other and write the numbers and see. Yeah? Okay? Ask each other, wie ist deine Telefonnummer? And write it down. Yeah? What is the question? Say the question once. Wie ist
Wie ist
deine Telefonnummer?
Telefonnummer.
deine Telefonnummer?
Meine Telefonnummer ist.
Meine Telefonnummer ist.
Yeah, then look at the numbers and yeah. So yeah, quickly ask each other and write down. Only in German.
How to pronounce four?
Vier. So when he says the number, you write it down. Then let him have a look. Then see whether the numbers are correct. Yeah. Ask each other. Yeah?
Excuse me.
Okay, that's a good question, but yeah, it depends on the noun which is coming after. That is, in Hindi, if you say naam, you say mera naam. But if you say behen, some feminine thing, you will say meri behen. Whether you are a boy or a girl, you would say meri behen because behen is feminine. But naam is masculine. So whether it's a girl or a boy, because naam is masculine, you are saying mera naam. Yeah? So it depends on the noun, the ending. That we will learn the genders of the nouns in the coming classes.